to dabble, that's infinite sadness. I'm standing on the edge of complete madness. Shut my eyes, yes, I love the blackness. I journey down deep into the heart of darkness. Funny how it goes when it seems untold. Is a whole entire world on remote control soul.
With the writing on the wall, it's so strange to think I'm left around loving you. Just when I'm all alone, it's so cold inside, so cold that I can't figure.
They got people to keep you in step, and nothing sounds fresh. There was no positive flow from the west, and every kid went to school wearing a bulletproof vest. It sounds like a mess, I like my shit to be clear. It's all that subliminal that keeps me in fear, and makes me beware of even a man in the mirror. You never know, he might be the one to pull the trigger.
In the darkness of my dream, I can see the ray of light that you control me. Everything must have a price, so it's not hard to understand that you can own me. With the writing on the wall, it's so strange to think I'm wrapped around your finger. Just when I'm all alone, it's so cold inside, so cold that I can't figure.
It's my mission that I'm on, that's why every time I grab the mic I drop the bomb, and in my rhymes you will detect, in between the slang, traces of intellect. But from that don't suspect that I'm here to teach, art to preach. I'm all about getting a vibe going when I speak, and I'm taking you higher than the peaks that be in Nepal. It's 1999 and I'm still walking tall. There was a few times that I thought I might fall and lose it all, but I got myself together and I reaffirmed my grip. So now you better believe that I always come equipped, I never slip, I always keep my balance. I rose to the occasion and I took up the challenge. Now tell me, can you imagine a world where freedom is a threat and sexism wet? And even better yet, you'll take caution just before you step.
In the darkness of my dream, I can see the ray of light that you control me. Everything must have a price, so it's not hard to understand that you can own me. With the writing on the wall, it's so strange to think I'm wrapped around your finger. Just when I'm all alone, it's so cold inside, so cold that I can't figure.
You see, you're born to die, well that's infinite sadness. I'm standing on the edge of complete madness. Shut my eyes, yes, I love the blackness. I journey down deep into the heart of darkness. Funny how it goes when it seems untold. It's a whole entire world on remote control soul.